Hi everyone. So today we reach chapter 8 and today's session I'm going to cover about the challenges of sustainable development effort faced by Malaysia. Okay, the first one is lack of exposure on sustainable development. Only half of Malaysian citizens are aware of the government goals and vision on sustainable development. As we know, in Malaysia, uh, the the journey to sustainable development started since 1970, but not all Malaysian citizens aware about this. Okay, so the first challenges is to expose on sustainable development to the people. The second one is the implementation challenges. It is very difficult to walk the talk. The sustainable development goals involve everybody, so it will take time, especially in terms of the attitude and habits of people. As we know, in Malaysia, awareness on sustainable development and environmental matters is still low, and of course it takes time to educate the people to change their habit. The third one is regarding the reckless consumption habit. Malaysians could do more to abate climate change and help the country's deteriorating environmental condition by being more prudent in using energy and natural resources, particularly water. So when they lack of awareness, so they may not care about the wastage they made when using the energy, especially water and electricity. So this is what we call as reckless consumption habit. The fourth challenge faced by Malaysia is shrinking forested areas to form water catchment. In some states, water supply is still a very an issue faced by the people. Lack of water supply, poor water supply is the is why the forested need to be deforest in order to form water catchment. For example, in Kelantan, in Selangor, there are a lot of issues waters raised by the people because they do not satisfy with the service of water, and because this affect their life. So the government need to use the forest areas to form the water catchment. The fifth challenge faced by Malaysia is river pollution. Okay, as we know in Malaysia, especially in industrial side, the river pollution happen because the industry tend to tend to poorly treated the wastewater. Okay, so this is happened in Sungai Kimkin, where the river pollution affected the health of the people there. Okay, the sixth challenge is the declining number of endangered wildlife like the Malayan tiger, which is the Harimau Malaya. As we know, a lot of their habitats has been shrinking because the people use the forest to form the highways, and they is their home. Okay, so due to affected home done because of the development project, the numbers of endangered wildlife like Malayan tiger is declining years by years. The seven challenges is the impact of climate change on Malaysia economy. Southeast Asia, including Malaysia, is projected to experience the largest impact on economic growth if the world were to increase in temperature by just 1.5 degrees Celsius between 23 and 2052. Okay, as we know, Malaysia is tourism based country. Malaysia is agriculture based country. So the increment in temperature could affect these two sectors, which are the tourism and the agriculture. And then the eighth challenges faced by Malaysia is the sea level still continuing to rise. As we are a country that most of our states, okay, is nearby the marine, nearby the coast. So it is expected globally that 10 million fewer people will be exposed if the sea level still continuing to rise. So this is the 8 challenges faced by Malaysia in order to pursue sustainable development effort. Thank you. I hope you learned something from this.